Look at SpreePark, that's really cool.
Can you check the
Oh my. Ready? Okay, let's fucking do this. Oh. Oh, this is gonna. Alright, should we walk it for a little?
What if you just hop on while we're going?
Let's fucking sprint up and get on it. Alright, hello again. Alicia and I are back in Berlin. We went to Prague for a few days. I only have a little bit of footage from that because my stupid ass took an adapter that was broken, so I couldn't charge anything for days. And now we're trying to go to this abandoned amusement park. The fucking Lime scooter is saying that we can't park it anywhere. So we're like running around places trying to find a place to park it. It's really cool though. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, so we made it all the way to fucking SpreePark and we can't get in. We scootered on a Lime scooter for 6 miles and then wouldn't let us park it out here because we're in the middle of fucking nowhere. So we had to scooter it all the way back 1 mile while it was dying and then walk all the way back like 2 miles.
Just to find out.
Yeah, and we can't fucking get in. Apparently we have to buy the tickets online, but online wouldn't let me buy them, so we had to buy them here. So this is sick. We're just gonna keep walking around. You can't read German anyway, where it says do not enter. Or what I think it might say, do not enter. So we're just gonna walk around and see what we can see. Got nothing else to do anyway. There's you. That's really impressive. Wow. Damn, you can't really see it. Lame. Well, fun facts about this place. I guess it opened in 1969 and then closed in 2002 because the guy was like a drug lord or whatever and lost all his money and then fled the country. And his son's still in jail for his crimes. But yeah, it just closed and now it's abandoned. I'm apparently doing tours that we can't go on. Big bum. Looks like it could be like, I don't know, like a food court or concert venue of some sort, but a little bit weirder.